Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cars, Computers, and Buoy. Today we're going to be washing the Charger, putting a new emblem on it, and we're going to show you the exhaust on it. I got a nice microphone I'm going to set up so that way you can hear it real well. Let's get started. So this is my new Dodge Charger RT Daytona in Hell Raisin. I kind of like this color because I like to call it a subtly obnoxious purple. It's got the matte black top, Daytona stripe on the back. It's a pretty sweet car. So right here, I want to put an old Dodge Charger script badge. I had it on my old Charger. I had an old V6 Charger before this one that was black. I liked how it looked, and so I figured, why not do it to this one? So first thing we need to do though is to wash the car. That way it's nice and clean, so when I apply the adhesive on the car, there's not any dirt underneath it that could scratch up the paint. One thing I like is the functional hood scoop, and there she is, 5.7 liter V8. I never liked the engine cover on these, so I took it off. I would like to get some coil covers like they have on the 392 engines. We also got the factory installed cold air intake. Makes this one louder than most of the 5.7 RT Chargers you see out there. Now, I'm not going to win any awards for my car washing skills. I mean, I miss spots and, you know, I'm kind of haphazard. Sometimes it won't dry all the way, and I washed it in the full sun, so there might be a few water spots here and there. But you know what? It's good enough for me, and I guarantee you it's better than taking it to the local car wash, spending a fortune. We've got our package straight from China. Wheel caps. I don't think that's what this is. Nice blacked out Charger C-pillar, or well, the Charger emblems, and I'm going to put them on the C-pillar. So the way I did this last time is I used painter's tape and marked along the lines, and then I put this right next to the lines. That way it would be nice and straight and uniformly aligned on both sides. Right about there-ish. Now I learned from my old Charger that this is a little curved, so we want to just ever so slightly bend this, so that way it has ever so slight a curve. Otherwise the end will stick up. I don't know if you can see it, but it's ever so slightly bent. So what you do is you find the line of the car, well, it's not going to go that far anyway, and then we'll follow the line of the window down here. And that's about where it's going to go. Now it's kind of hard because the little G comes down, but if you look at the end of the R, the C comes down a little bit. You can kind of line it up down here. Unless you're really looking close at it, I don't think anyone will notice if it's just a little bit off. And I have a feeling my old Charger was a little bit off as well.
It was.
Thanks. Alright, I think I like that. Make sure we don't have any dust. Not bad. Like I said, gives it that retro look, like a lot of the old Chargers had. Alright, let's do the other side now. Follow the lines of the car. There. Oh, same thing, we need to bend this ever so slightly because the car's curved ever so slightly. The thing is, the adhesive's pretty strong on this. It's strong, but if it's already bent in the wrong way, it'll peel itself off. That's what happened with my old Charger. The very edge of the C on one side started peeling up a little bit by the time I sold it. More dust on it. Oh no, the lawn people. We have to hurry. Sometimes the neighbors' lawn people come at really unpredictable times. This is one of those times. Pretty good. There's a bunny in peril. Run, little bunny, run. The statue move won't work. Just hide right there. Hopefully it'll leave you alone. Well, that does it for today's episode. That'll do it for this episode of Cars, Computers, Bowie. Hope you enjoyed. I'll put a link in the description to where I got the black Charger emblems. They're on Amazon. It takes a little while for them to ship since they're coming from China, but they're pretty good quality metal. The adhesive looks like it's going to stick pretty well. Hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.